Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix iCloud login issues, Apple ID and security errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you have a stable internet connection by turning Wi-Fi off and on or switching to mobile data. Open Safari and load a simple website to verify the connection is actually working. Check Apple system status and make sure iCloud, Apple ID, and App Store services are not down. Restart your iPhone, iPad, or Mac to clear temporary network and authentication glitches. Set date and time to automatic, because incorrect time can break Apple ID security verification. Update your device to the latest iOS, iPadOS, or macOS version available for your model. Make sure you are signing in with the correct Apple ID email and not a different address you used before. If you forgot the password, reset it at iforgot.apple.com and then try signing in again. On iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, tap your name, choose Sign Out, then sign in again carefully. When signing out, keep a copy of important data on the device if you are asked, to avoid losing local content. If you see verification failed or cannot connect, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds and then off. Disable VPN and proxy settings, because they can block Apple ID authentication servers. Go to Settings, Wi-Fi, tap the info icon, and try Renew Lease to refresh your network configuration. Reset network settings on iPhone or iPad to remove corrupted Wi-Fi and cellular profiles. On Mac, sign out of Apple ID and system settings, restart, and sign in again. If you receive a two-factor authentication code on another device, enter it promptly before it expires. If you do not receive codes, check that your trusted phone number is correct in Apple ID settings. Look for security alerts in settings or at appleid.apple.com and approve any pending sign-in prompts. If your account is locked for security reasons, follow the unlock steps at iforgot.apple.com. Check screen time and restrictions, because content and privacy limits can prevent account changes. Confirm you have enough free iCloud storage, because full storage can trigger syncing and login-related errors. If you use iCloud Private Relay, temporarily turn it off and try signing in again. If you are on a managed device, confirm with your school or company that Apple ID sign-in is allowed. Try signing in at appleid.apple.com in a browser to confirm the account works outside the device. Remove and re-add your Apple ID in App Store settings if only App Store login is failing. On Mac, clear Apple ID-related cache by rebooting in safe mode, then restart normally and test again. If you see repeated password prompts, change your Apple ID password and sign in again on all devices. If none of these steps work, contact Apple support and share the exact error message and your device model. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.